Many companies find they need to automate, perhaps for the first time, operations involving small parts, materials, or assemblies. Typically, such companies have to contract with someone to design a system to automate their production process, a custom-built system made up of various components. For instance, the system might be based around a rotary table or a conveyor, with product items, bottles or boxes, moving at intervals between workstations, where application devices might dispense, assemble, cap, or perform any number of actions. Then, a set of electronics and software would be needed to control the various movements and actions. Once such a system is designed, the components would then be purchased or fabricated, set up, integrated, and programmed, all of which can be expensive, time-consuming, and prone to missteps, for engineering is an uncertain art form. But a recently created company, First Step Automation, is marketing a new kind of product, one which can enable companies to sidestep many of these issues or reduce them to a manageable size. It can do this by providing an affordable, flexible, off-the-shelf, and integrated platform upon which can be based many different types of process applications. While it can't accommodate every operation, it can certainly handle a great many. This new device is a Tabletop Automation Center, or TAC for short. Like a CNC machining center, a TAC can't do anything by itself, but combined with commercially available application devices, the TAC can function as a fully automatic, standalone automation center, a device you load up, turn on, and walk away from. Later, you return to unload the processed parts or assemblies. With the TAC, application devices mount on a gantry, which extends over a traversing rotary work table and over rotary magazines located on the two sides, which can hold product items. The application devices are then used to process or transport the parts or materials. Finally, a single, programmable electronics package controls and coordinates all the components and devices, including any devices located at the sides of the TAC. TACs are all about being flexible. They can be used as standalone units, sometimes with a second gantry to hold more devices, or TACs can work in pairs, or in multi-TAC configurations. By employing off-the-shelf TACs, which can be purchased or rented, companies can be out of the box, up and running in a fraction of the time needed to design, build, and debug a custom-built system. Better yet, when the production run is completed, when a custom-built machine might otherwise be collecting dust and taking up floor space, a rented TAC can be boxed up and sent back, or reconfigured to handle a different application. Pretty neat, huh? The TAC, a Tabletop Automation Center.